How to earn online. There are many ways to earn money online. Here are a few options. Sell products or services. You can sell products or services through an e-commerce platform like Etsy or eBay, or through your own website. Freelance. You can offer your skills and services as a freelancer. This could include writing, graphic design, social media management, or programming. Start a blog. You can create a blog and monetize it through advertising, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. Participate in online surveys. Some websites and companies will pay you to participate in online surveys. Teach online. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can create online courses or tutor students online. Invest in the stock market. If you have some money to invest, you can try to earn a return by investing in the stock market. Rent out a spare room. If you have a spare room in your home, you can list it on Airbnb and earn money by renting it out to travelers. Remember to do your research and be cautious when earning money online, as there are scams and other fraudulent activities to be aware of.